Now we want to get straight back to your weather forecast. Robert joining us back in the studio once again. Looks like we're going to have a great holiday, but a bear of a forecast, I guess you could say.
Oh, I see what you did there. Lot to unpack in that story, though. That's interesting. But yes, a wild week of weather is on the way, folks. A big, messy forecast out there. But it's nice out there right now. So that's where we'll start with. Live look outside to Springdale. You can see some high clouds out there. Still very pleasant. 63 in Springdale. Winds, though, they'll get your attention out of the south at 18. That's what's keeping everything nice and mild out there. Across northwest Arkansas, we're mostly in the mid-60s out there. Very comfortable this evening. Take you down to southern Scott County. Highway 71, you can see one car there making its way toward Y-City, which is at 62 right now. Winds light and variable at 5 miles an hour. Elsewhere in the River Valley, mostly upper 60s right now. 68 in Charleston, 68 in Fort Smith, and 3 degrees cooler in Van Buren. Now, as we look ahead to the week, we are watching for severe weather that'll come possibly late Monday into very early Tuesday morning. Then it will be much colder from Tuesday throughout the rest of the week, and that will set the stage for a prolonged wintry mix event that could bring us some icy conditions Wednesday and into Thursday, which I'll touch on here in a second. Hour by hour, notice our wind streams straight out of the south, keeping things nice and warm in the overnight hours. Waking up tomorrow morning, upper 40s and lower 50s. We'll see clouds on the increase, couple of showers possible by Monday evening. But as we get into the overnight hours on Monday, look at how quickly the shower and thunderstorm coverage expands across the area by midnight or early morning Tuesday. And that thunderstorm threat will continue into the early morning hours, probably by rush hour or so, ahead of this cold front that'll be marching its way toward our area. But by 7, 8 o'clock, most of the activity is starting to shut down for the time being. Then much colder air will filter in behind the front. Notice here by Wednesday morning, temperatures are in the upper 20s and 30s at the surface. Aloft, they'll be much warmer, which is why we could have a prolonged period of possibly sleet in northwest Arkansas, freezing rain and plain rain in the River Valley, and some of this could come down moderate to perhaps heavy at times throughout the day on Wednesday. A prolonged, long-duration icing event is certainly possible. This is wave 1. We'll get a second wave on Thursday that will bring us more of the same. In terms of the severe weather aspect, Storm Prediction Center has grown and moved the slight risk into northwest Arkansas, so scattered to isolated severe storms are possible Monday night and into Tuesday. In terms of the wintry weather, confidence is growing of greater than 1/4 of an inch of liquid equivalent to snow and sleet. That's not good when it comes to wintry precipitation. We now have pretty high confidence that freezing rain and sleet will fall across the area. Low confidence in accumulating snow. That's the one thing we're missing. It will have severe impacts on travel. Lows tonight, mostly, as I said, mild, upper 40s. Look at this President's Day, upper 60s and lower 70s for our highs. But we've got severe days, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. If you had those days on your bingo card, well, then you can check those off, because we've got plenty of severe days. Unfortunately, a very active early part of the week, Paul, is a changing forecast. You want to stay with us as we get new model data in throughout our newscast tomorrow and Tuesday as well, leading up to the event both Wednesday and Thursday, but it does not look like it's going to be a fun time.
No, very messy from this vantage point. Thanks so much, Robert.